Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the essentials. Install Quick VPN and grant its basic permissions so the app can configure network settings. Create or sign into your account and verify email if prompted. This unlocks server access. Once done, enable location and background refresh to keep connection stable when the screen sleeps. Make sure you use a trusted Wi-Fi or mobile network. This helps initial handshakes succeed. Now you're ready to open the app and begin server selection. You'll now choose where your traffic should exit. Select a server by country or by low latency. Pick streaming or P2P tags when needed because they optimize routing. Next, choose a protocol. Auto is safe, WireGuard is faster, OpenVPN is more compatible. Once selected, tap Connect and accept the system VPN permission prompt so Quick VPN can create the encrypted tunnel. Wait for the status indicator to show connected. This verifies your IP and DNS are now routed through the chosen server. Finish by verifying your connection. Run the app's built-in IP/DNS leak test or use an IP checker to confirm the exit location. Make sure the kill switch is enabled so apps can't leak data if the VPN drops. If you run into problems, try a different server or switch protocols. Sometimes WireGuard will connect where OpenVPN does not. Also, restart the device and reauthorize permissions if prompts fail. These steps resolve most issues. If not, contact Quick VPN support from the app.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.